us today at TaeguTec. So, sir, what are the new products that you are showcasing at TaeguTec?
So there's a new family called Winspeed. Winspeed family is a new range of cutting tools which would help our customers to significantly improve the productivity. Besides this, one range of products which we launched called TaeguTec a couple of years ago. The range has also been significantly widened now. So we are focusing on our solutions under the umbrella of Winspeed and TaeguTec in this exhibition.
So, cutting, as everyone knows, a cutting tool is the backbone of manufacturing industry. How are your products helping the increased productivity in the manufacturing sector?
So, if you look at the manufacturing industry, there are several initiatives to improve the productivity. One of them, let's say we are hearing about Industry 4.0, which is tracking all the downtime. So you have one side is the downtime and second area is the cutting time itself can be reduced. So we work on both the sides. Let's talk about cutting time. For example, if I give you a simple example, if I have a tool which is a TaeguTec or a Winspeed turning tool, normally in turning, tool moves to here, stops here, comes back and starts like this. We have a tool which will go like this, on return to it will continue to cut. So which means that the wastage of time which used to happen during the return stroke is eliminated in this process. Point number one. Point number two, even the average speed at which the tool will move is significantly higher than the speed at which normal tools will move. So like this, we have many tools for turning, grooving, milling, hole making, all are new range of tools. For example, a typical drill, if you take old generation drill, it has got a single flute effector. So we brought about a tool which has two effectors. Now we have tools with three effectors. So if you have a machine with power available, you would be able to do the drilling at 1/3 of the time. That's on the side of reducing the machining time. On the side of reducing the downtime, we all the time focus on idea to how do I make the tool change easier? Can I do it on the spindle itself? Can I do it in 5 seconds? So you will find across the display, tool change is also much easier and friendlier. You can do it on the spindle itself.
So, what are the dynamics of the cutting tool industry and how do they impact your organization?
So, first and foremost is we live in a very inflation-oriented economy. Rupee is depreciating. So it is given that your cost of manufacturing will constantly go up. We understand this. So invariably, at the bottom of the pyramid, or the lower end of this, you always have a big crowd. Price becomes the only sensitive factor. Good companies need to invest significantly on R&D. We invest about 7% on R&D to come with new solutions which will eliminate the wastages at customer end, improve the productivity at the customer end, help them to lower the cost. So we have to constantly keep pushing ourselves harder to move up on the value chain. If you don't move up on the value chain, you will be in a crowded place.
So what's the shape of things to come and how are you poised to take on the challenges?
So the shape of things, like I said, that we want to move towards making tools that will be relevant for future. We will strengthen our program for aerospace, defense, railways and other industries which are relatively small today in India. We expect them to grow in future. So we will strengthen those offerings. We will continue to invest in R&D for standard tools as well as give tailor-made tool to our customers.